so it's me, Ava. I know the lighting is horrible right now. Well, to me it looks horrible. I just got back from Briley's thing, and some slime. Show you some of my fun, like, so I got like, so this is the sticky slime that I had. This is a poopsie slime. It's really sticky. It's way too sticky. Scented like coffee because I mine came with a coffee scent. And mine's, it's really sticky. Like, I've had this for like a month now, so. But it's in this cute container, and that kind of is good. So. I don't know if I just made a new slime trend. But first, before we all open these do-love slimes, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm pretty sure. So I've seen a lot of people watching my videos, but they don't like and subscribe. Because I know you. I know. Because I checked today, and I only got 1 or 2 views. So, here's what I want you to do. If you do this, you might win something. I might send you something. You will share a video. What you would do is you would comment, you would go follow my Snapchat, and you have to share this video with other YouTubers. So, I bet you could do that in 5 seconds. So, let's get started. I resumed, y'all. I gotta go wash my hands. Okay. Sayonara. Oh, okay. Water on the freaking camera. I got all those germs. And I'm like just that just came out, guys. Okay, I'll be back.